Welcome to the history and innovation of the Xerox machine. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the origins of the Xerox machine, the key milestones in its development, and the inventors who revolutionized the way we copy documents. Let's get started. The Xerox machine, also known as a photocopier, is a device that reproduces documents and images by scanning and printing them. It has become an essential tool in offices, businesses, and homes worldwide. The history of the Xerox machine is filled with fascinating stories of innovation, entrepreneurship, and transformation. Let's dive into the history of this iconic machine and see how it has evolved over time. In 1938, a lawyer and inventor named Chester Carlson was working in a patent office when he had an idea that would change the world. He dreamed of creating a machine that could make perfect copies of documents quickly and easily. Carlson spent years developing his invention, and in 1947, he finally succeeded in creating the first electrostatic copier. The Xerox machine was born out of Carlson's invention, and it quickly became a game-changer in the world of business and technology. The Xerox Corporation was founded in 1906 in Rochester, New York, and it would go on to become one of the most successful and innovative companies of the 20th century. Chester Carlson. Chester Carlson's invention of the electrostatic copier was a major breakthrough in the world of document reproduction. His idea was inspired by his own frustrations with the time-consuming and error-prone process of manual document duplication. Carlson's invention laid the foundation for the Xerox machine and set the stage for a new era of document management and communication. Xerography. The word xerography was coined by Carlson to describe his new invention. Xerography is the process of producing an image on paper by electrostatically charging a photoconductive drum and exposing it to light. This process allowed for quick and accurate reproduction of documents, making it a game-changer in the world of business and technology. The Haloid Company. The Haloid Company, a small photographic paper manufacturer, saw the potential of Carlson's invention and acquired the rights to it in 1947. Haloid quickly rebranded itself as the Xerox Corporation and began developing and refining the Xerox machine. By the 1960s, the Xerox machine had become a household name and a symbol of innovation and progress. Laser printing. In the 1970s, Xerox introduced laser printing technology, which used a laser beam to create images on paper. This breakthrough allowed for even faster and more accurate document reproduction, and it set the stage for the modern printing and copying industry. Laser printing is still widely used today in a variety of applications, from desktop printers to large-scale commercial presses. The digital age. As the world moved into the digital age, Xerox continued to innovate and adapt to new technologies. In the 1990s, Xerox introduced its first digital copier, which allowed for even faster and more accurate document reproduction. The company has since expanded into a variety of digital document management and communication technologies, including cloud-based storage and collaboration tools. Sustainability. In recent years, Xerox has also made a strong commitment to sustainability. The company has implemented a number of initiatives to reduce waste, conserve resources, and promote environmental responsibility. Xerox has also developed new technologies and services to help businesses and organizations operate more sustainably. Document solutions. Xerox has developed a range of document solutions that are designed to meet the needs of businesses and organizations of all sizes. These solutions include document scanning and digitization, cloud-based storage and collaboration tools, and advanced security features to protect sensitive information. Managed print services. Xerox has also pioneered the concept of managed print services, which allow businesses to outsource their printing and document management needs to Xerox. This can help businesses save money, reduce waste, and streamline their document workflows. Xerox's managed print services also come with advanced analytics and reporting tools to help businesses optimize their printing and document management practices. Accessibility. Xerox is also committed to making its products and services accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. The company has developed a range of accessibility features, such as screen readers and voice commands, to help users with visual impairments or other disabilities to use Xerox products and services with ease. The Xerox machine has come a long way since its early days as an electrostatic copier. Today, Xerox is a leading innovator in the world of document management and communication, with a strong commitment to sustainability, accessibility, and innovation. As we move into the future, we can expect Xerox to continue to drive the industry forward with new and exciting advancements and technologies. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and innovation of the Xerox machine. And we look forward to seeing where this iconic technology will take us next.